Hi everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. We're on lesson number 10. Today, we learn a fun and valuable phrase, straight from the horse's mouth. Sounds funny, right? But it means getting information directly from the source. In Korean, we say 본인에게 직접 듣다. Picture this. Hey, is the company really giving a bonus this year? Yep, I heard it directly from the horse's mouth. The CEO told me. Here's another example. Is it true that the new movie is amazing? Absolutely. I heard it straight from the horse's mouth, the director himself. See? Super easy, right? Let's say it together. Straight from the horse's mouth. Awesome. Now, you can use this phrase confidently in conversations. Remember, every phrase brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable phrases.